Refueling your vehicle is quick and easy, thanks to the Capless fuel filler. Here's how to do it. First, on models with the push-to-open fuel door, the driver's door must be unlocked. So, if you have the walk-away auto-lock feature enabled and you walk away from the vehicle, unlock your driver's door again. Then you can just give the back of the filler door a nudge, grab the edge, and swing it all the way open. Other models have a release button on the inside of the driver's door. If so, push that to access the filler. Now, insert the pump nozzle into the filler until it stops and fill her up. When you're done, remove the nozzle and snap the fuel filler door shut. Easy. If you ever have to use a portable container to put gas in, a special funnel that comes with your vehicle must be used. On most models, the funnel is stored in the toolkit beneath the cargo area floor. On others, it can be found in a compartment on the side of the cargo area. Insert the funnel all the way into the fuel filler and then pour the fuel through the funnel. When done, remove the funnel and wipe any fuel off before storing it in the vehicle. Close the fuel filler door and you're on your way.